We are covering the critical topic of homeowners' perils for the property and casualty exam, specifically the difference between named perils and open perils coverage. A named perils policy only covers losses caused by the specific perils listed in the policy. The exam will test your understanding that if a peril is not listed, it is not covered. In contrast, an open perils policy, also known as special form or all-risk coverage, covers everything except for the causes of loss that are specifically excluded. The most common homeowners policy, the HO3, is a major focus for the exam because it combines both types of coverage. The dwelling and other structures are covered on an open perils basis, while personal property is covered on a named perils basis. This hybrid approach is a common source of trick questions. For example, if a deer crashes through a living room window, damaging the wall and a sofa, the HO3 policy would respond differently for each. The damage to the wall is covered under the dwelling's open perils coverage because deer are not a specific exclusion. However, the damaged sofa would not be covered under the personal property's named perils coverage, as damage from animals is not a listed peril. Another critical concept is the burden of proof. For a named perils policy, the burden of proof is on the insured to show that a covered peril caused the loss. For an open perils policy, the burden shifts to the insurance company to prove that a specific exclusion applies to the loss. A great way to remember this is, with named perils, the name of the game is for you to prove it. With open perils, the onus is on the insurer. The exam will expect you to know the broad form named perils, which include fire, lightning, windstorm, hail, theft, vandalism, falling objects, weight of ice and snow, and accidental discharge or overflow of water. Be aware of nuances tested on the exam, such as the fact that vandalism coverage is often excluded if the dwelling has been vacant for more than 60 days. Also, while theft is a covered peril, mysterious disappearance is not. Understanding these distinctions is key to passing. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.